In this topic, we'll learn about disk quota management and configuration on Windows Server 2012. This video explains how to set up and configure disk quota on Microsoft Windows Server 2012. Let's get started. Open the Server Manager from the bottom left corner of the server desktop. Click on Add Rules and Features from the Server Manager dashboard. Click Next to begin the process. By default, rule-based or feature-based installation is selected already, so click Next. On the next window, continue with default server test selection and click Next. Click File Server option given under File and MCSE Services. File and MCSE Services, and click on File Server Resource Manager. Click on Next. Click on Next. On the Confirm Installation selection window, click Install to continue. Click on Install. Click Close once the installation has finished. Now open File Server Resource Manager from the Tool option given in the top right corner of the Server Manager dashboard. File Server Resource Manager. Click on it. In the next window, expand Quota Management and select Quota Templates. Quota Templates. You can see there are a lot of predefined quota templates in the right hand panel. We will create our own quota template so that you understand how to do so. To create your own quota template, right click on Quota Template and select Create Quota Template. Fill in the following information. Give the template a name in template name, for example 50 GB. Provide any description for your reference. Select limit size, for example 50 GB. Select hard quota if you do not want user to exceed the limit. Select soft quota if you want user to be able to exceed the quota. Limit and want only to monitor space used by user. Click Add to define threshold notification settings. The threshold notifications window will resemble the value given under Generate Notification. When usage reaches will remain at 85%. So select the option Send Email to user who exceeded the threshold and click OK. And click on Yes. When you click OK, you will get warning stating that the SMTP server is not configured, and due to that notification, emails cannot be sent. Click OK to continue. You can see the quota template of 50 GB limit has been created. Now we will create a new folder named quota in the C drive of the computer. C quota. Close the window and go back the quota management window. Select the existing 50 GB quota template, right click on it and select the Create Quota from Template option. Click Browse to define the quota path folder onto which quota will be a flight. Click on browse, click on C partition, and then click on quota. Click OK. Click on create to create the quota on the folder. This is how we will define the disk quota on the folder so that users cannot save data in a limit amount space which has been defined by the administrators.